Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add control panel icon on desktop in Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To add control panel icon on desktop in Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings. Now in left pane, click on Personalization, click on Themes. Now scroll down, click on Desktop Icon Settings. In Desktop Icon Settings, under Desktop Icons, you will find an option Control Panel. Just select Control Panel. Now click on Apply and then click OK. Now close Settings. Look, Control Panel icon is added on my desktop in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.